We'll guide you through how to set an image in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Photoshop. And so what you want to do is go and insert an image. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this step by step. I already have an image in here, but you may be in this situation of you've just got a blank canvas and you want to go and insert one. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through it. In this case, I'm going to go and insert one and then have it over another. But as I said, you could just go and add one just to a blank background as well. Of course, it's a really great thing to do because you can go and add more to your project this way. So in this case, I want to go and add in my logo, but for you, it could be another photo, a picture of you, or something else. It doesn't matter. So make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything, as we're going to cover how you can go and add it, how you can move it around, and then go and save the position and save it after you've gone and placed it in. So what you're going to want to do is you need to come to the top of Photoshop and go to the top left and find the option for File, and you want to go and click there. You're then going to go and see a list of options, and what you need to do is come down and find Place Embedded. So you want to go and click there. It's quite far down the list, and click on it. Your file explorer is going to open, and what you then need to do is go and locate the image you're trying to go and place and insert. So we can come into assets. I want to do this with my logo here. So I've got it selected, and you can then press place, and that's going to go and insert it, as you can see. Now, what you need to do is you can go and then choose the position. You can use the corner points and click, hold and drag, and click, hold on the entire thing to move it and place it where you want to. And then you need to go and press the tick at the top. That's really important to do. You can actually do this before even moving it anyway, and that will then go and add it in. And if you want to go and make further adjustments to it, like resizing it, select it in layers by clicking it and press Ctrl and T together, and you can then go and start adjusting it. Make sure you press the tick at the top.